Hi boys and girls, this is lesson 21 from module 4, problem set. Today you're going to be listening very carefully while I read you these number stories. You're going to be using the cross-off method, and also I want to remind you, if you can't remember what I read to you, that you should rewind your video and listen to it one more time. You're going to be doing a few problems together with me, and then at the end there are going to be some challenge problems for you if you'd like to try those. Okay, here we go. Tyler bought a cone with 4 scoops. He ate 1 scoop. Cross out 1 scoop. I'll wait for you while you cross off 1 scoop with your pencil. Okay, now that you've crossed off 1 scoop, the question is, how many scoops were left? Write your answer right here. So 4 scoops minus 1 scoop equals, how many scoops are left? I will wait while you write your number. Here's the next question. Eva ate ice cream too. She ate 2 scoops. How many scoops were left? So let's look down here. 4 minus 2 equals, how many scoops were left? Don't forget to use the cross-off method. Here's the next question. There were 4 bottles. 3 of them broke. How many bottles were left? If you come down here, you can read the number sentence with me. 4 minus 3 equals, how many bottles left? Boys and girls, this is the part of your work today that's going to be a challenge for you. If you want to do this challenge, then go ahead and continue on with this video. If you do not want to try this challenge today, then you can turn in the work that you've already completed and you can leave this one unanswered. But if you're looking for a challenge, this is for you. Here we go. Anthony had 5 erasers in his pencil box. He dropped his pencil box and 4 erasers fell on the floor. How many erasers are in Anthony's pencil box now? Draw the erasers and fill in the number sentence. Boys and girls, don't forget, if you can't remember what I said, you can rewind the video. Let's move on to the next question. Tanisha had 5 grapes. She gave 3 grapes to a friend. How many grapes does Tanisha have now? Draw the grapes and fill in the number sentence. Boys and girls, that is the end of our lesson today. I hope you had fun.